clearly have seen interest rate peaking on the way down now. Inflation has moderated around the world, even in Singapore. But the question is, how quickly can it go down further? That obviously depends on development even as we speak. Inflation may remain elevated if we were to see global tariff being imposed, etc. And therefore, rates may have little room to move. But it is still on a downward trend. The only question is the extent in which it can come down.
Singaporeans have a tendency to look for new and shiny things. So I guess the demand for new launches will continue to excite the crowd and draw in demand. So I think that should continue on for the foreseeable future.
So I'm optimistic on the outlook for commercial industrial properties. If you look at Singapore economic indicators, they look fairly healthy. GDP growth is expected to be stable. Unemployment is expected to remain low. And interest rates are on a decline, so they may stay higher for longer. So demand is rising and the supply pipeline looks favorable. But that said, commercial and industrial properties are very location and building specific. So one should always do their due diligence before exploring these investments.